गांधी जयंती, आणि त्या दिसाक I will take a call. If the council feels that I should step down, I will step down, and I will assure that there will be a smooth transition from one chairperson to the other chairperson, whoever comes in. But before that, I will give to the people of Margao a stock of the situation that I have done, or I have because I will have to take a press conference maybe and do this, but not in a situation like this whereby I have to do something from my from by being in bed. It's very unfortunate that the events have come to that.
आम्ही दिगंबर कामतीकडे उलयली. तो म्हणटा काँग्रेसीच्या नगरसेवकांचो सध्या तरी अविश्वास थाराव घालपाचो विचार ना.
So I am confident about my councillors that they will not do anything without telling me or without taking my opinion. I do not know what will happen in the days to come, but after Ganesh Chaturthi, I have told my councillors that we will sit and discuss.
एकलो बीजेपीन तेको दिल्लो नगरसेवक म्हणटा अविश्वास थाराव घालपाक ताच्याकडे आंकडोच ना.
पयलीं गोवा फॉरवर्ड म्हणून गोवा फॉरवर्डाचे 11 आसा, काँग्रेस म्हणून तांचे 9 आसा आनी आमचे 7 आसा. अशें पळोवपाक वचत जाल्यार आनी अशी करून ती 25ची म्युनिसिपालिटी जाता, 25 कावन्सिलराची. आज खंयच्या सायडीन तरी मुवमेंट चल्ला, पूण तो मुवमेंट अशें सांगलें वता की तो मुवमेंट आमी करता, पूण एक्चुअली तशें ना.
मात अविश्वास थाराव येता येता म्हूण बोवाळ चल्ला. चवथी पयलीं काय चवथी उपरांत काय टाय फिश ते पळोवपाचें. प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस.